Hello guys, beautiful Pinkie Pie, back at again with another video. Um, I just want to make it clear to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers and all of my friends, family members, and all this. But it has been raining today, so now it's stopped raining and then it's nice and sunny outside. But I just know that I heard rain. And when I went in the laundry room to check if there's any leak, there is no leak at all. But you know why there's no leak at all? Because the ground is not wet. I think the floor in the laundry room is made out of concrete. That's how they made a laundry room that way. But anyways, if you hear that there was a rainy weather in your area, hear it on the news and beware.